Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. In today's video, I'll be breaking down these 3 bass lines you can use for any praise out there, okay? So if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, click on this link or you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay guys, this is a simple Ghanaian song which I'll be using for this breakdown, okay? If you heard the song, if you heard the bass line, I played 3 bass lines in the song, okay? Master them and use them in any other English song or any local song that is a praise song, okay? I'll be breaking them down into 1 and 2 and 3, okay? So the first one goes like this. The song was played on key G sharp. Okay, it goes like this. Dun, 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 dun. So you have your 1, 5, 1. Dun, 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 dun. You understand? Okay. Now let's look at the 1 and 5. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So on your 1. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so 1, 6, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times, 2, 3, 1. So now we have da 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 da. So it goes 4, 2, 5. You understand? So the first one. So on your 4. Okay, 4, 2, 1, 2. Okay, then you play your 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 5. Okay. Okay. Da 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 da. The same. Da 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 da. So it's a 1, 4, 5 progression. Da 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 da. So you play 1, 1, 6, 5, 1. Then you go to your 4. That is 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 6, 4. Okay. Two, 5. That is your 7, 5. Again. If you want to start again. Okay, now to the second bass line, it goes like this. Okay, so you just play it 3 times, the first note. Okay, you are using your triads on this. So do 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 mi mi so 1 1 3 3 5. Okay, so 1 1 3 3 5 1. Okay, 4 4 4 6 6 1 2. Okay, so you'll be plucking it like 3 times, the first note. Okay. Okay, so titi poo da 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 da. Okay, for this one it's very simple. You can just be playing it throughout, so steady. Okay, so the third one goes like this. So 1 5 1 5 1. Okay, 1 5. Okay, before then we can move to the other groove. Okay, so 1. From 1 you slide to your 2, 6 to 5, 2 5 1, back to your 5 again, 6 to 5, now to your 4. So you have your 1, your 4 sharp, or let's say your 5 flat. Okay, that's your fee. Okay, so okay, then your 1 4. Okay, so now to your 2 you slide to your 6. Okay, 6 3 6 2 2 5 5 5 2 6 to 5. Okay, okay, so 1 1 1 6 6 5 6 2 2 2 2 2 2 1 6. Then you play your 6 2 2 2 2 7 7 5 5 1 1 1 1 1 6 5. Okay, try and practice them and see if you can use them in another song. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now. So these are the few bass lines I have for you.